Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install and use the Cursor AI editor. So open your favorite web browser and browse this site cursor.com and then click on the download for Windows button. It may take a while for downloading the AI code editor. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder. Now open this installer. You can read the end user license agreement carefully and then accept the agreement. Then click on next. Now select the destination location where you want to install Cursor. This is the default location for the current user. You can select a different folder. Click on the browse and then select the folder where you want to install. I am going to install it on this default location. Click on next. Click on next. If you want to create desktop icon, check this box, then click on next. The setup is now ready to begin installing Cursor on your computer. So click on the install button. It may take a while for installing Cursor, the AI editor. That's it. The AI editor Cursor installed successfully on your system. If you want to launch the editor right now, check this box. Otherwise, uncheck, then click on Finish to exit the setup wizard. I am going to launch the Cursor editor right now. You can skip and continue. If you don't want to import the settings from Visual Studio Code, click on the skip and continue. Okay, now select the theme. I am going to select the Cursor Dark Midnight theme, or you can explore other themes. Click on this button. Continue. Now select the key bindings. This is the recommended way, and this is the privacy mode. If you enable privacy mode, none of your questions or code will ever be stored by the Cursor or any third party. But this is the recommended option. I am going to select this option to help to improve the Cursor. Now I'm going to open a new project. I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. To activate the chat option, you must have an account on cursor.com. You can sign up for a new account or you can log in with your Google or GitHub account. I am going to log in via my GitHub account. So at first, click on the settings gear icon, then click on the sign in option. Continue with GitHub account or Google account or your email address. Now go back to the editor and now you will be able to chat. Okay. Now I am going to create a project, or you can create it in Cursor itself. To apply the command, you must click on the Run Command button. If you want to use the command prompt instead of PowerShell, right here, here, and this is my portfolio site. For quick search and open a specific file in Cursor AI editor, press Ctrl T at the same time and then write the file name that you want to open or search. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.